Hey, so it's Dave with TheWildWaynes. We're talking meatballs today. Somebody sent me a recipe for Italian meatballs in a sauce. We're gonna do just meatballs today. When I was a kid, my mom used to make noodles, meatballs and noodles. And she forgot the recipe for about a decade, now she's making it again. But I haven't gotten that recipe for some reason. So we're going to just make meatballs today in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to show you what I do. And we're going to throw those meatballs on some spiralized carrots with some garlic and onion and salt and pepper. And we'll just cook those little carrot noodles into something that's just right. Just something soft like a noodle. Anyways, yeah, here we go. pick some of that. A little bit of our hamburger meatballs. You guys, my God, you guys gotta get out of here so I can eat all this. This is so good. The carrot goes with the hamburger so well. It's amazing. Oh my God. All those meatballs. We have about 50% of it is chicken sausage with apple. And the other half is hamburger plus, you know, seasoning. But my God, they go so good with the carrot noodles. The noodles are just done to where they're just a little crunch, but they're like noodly and delicious, and they taste like garlic and salt and pepper and onion and just a little olive oil. Oh, just amazing flavor. Oh, carrot noodles is totally the way to go. It's good for you. Makes your heart feel good. Stop running around, you guys. Let's follow this. Oh, follow us. Subscribe. Whatever you guys got to do. But we need you guys. And I'm making the best food I possibly can. You guys, because this will blow your mind. The meatballs are so rich and hearty and meaty, and my God, the onion and the garlic. I don't even know what to say. The salt and pepper, it just kapow, kaboom, kapow. You know, it's like, oh my God, this meatball just takes whatever you're gonna throw that meatball on and amplifies it times a million. You guys are in for a treat, and keep on following us. I'd recommend subscribing. Hit the bell. Let us give you a new episode as soon as we can. I'll try to do it twice a week. Now we have some limited grocery intake. We'll do as much as we can, but all I want to do is inspire you guys to eat, cook, and just be satisfied, because we're doing the exact same thing you are. Just having as much fun as we can in a crazy time. So, meatball up, carrot noodle, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.